What is up today, guys? Welcome back to DK's Customs. Today I'm going to be showing you what I repaired. So I was, walking around my truck kind of just going over it, and I saw that this right here was all rotted out. Right there, you can see back, you can see back in there where that mount is, it was all rotted out, but now I have it fixed. And I'm going to show you how to completely make that almost unrecognizable. I'm going to use some Bondo, and we're going to go from there. So yeah, we're going to get started with that.
Hey,
What's up?
tell me what you think of this.
What'd you do? You,
After a fucking
you respraying it. I got that little lamp down there, but
behind you. We'll probably just use your one off my phone.
oh, I need something to scoop this out with. Hey, what were you using to scoop this out with?
That scraper.
Oh, okay. Now this is probably gonna take a hefty amount. If you need to better light, you can flick that switch on.
You're good.
I kind of want to be off. It's even better, isn't it?
It's bright.
That's even better. Want to make sure that people can see me. So you need to add some hardener. That's probably a little much for this, but we're gonna be putting it on there pretty quick anyways. And then you mix it up like this. Oh boy. I'm not sure how many coats I'll do yet or anything like that, but just so long as you guys can get a rough view of what I'm doing. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll get in here a little bit and see, so you guys can see how I'm mixing it. Pretty much chop it, flip it, smear it. Now it's starting to kind of get a little bit hard, so we're gonna take it over to the truck and apply it. So this, can I get out of here, hon? You're gonna want to spread it across this. There's already been some Bondo and stuff that's hardened on this, so it kind of catches every once in a while. Probably have to give it a little bit of time and let this stuff harden. But just to make sure we got it everywhere that we need it. As you guys can see. It's kind of hard to do this upside down. Oh boy. I'm gonna have to definitely add a little bit more to this. Not as easy as I originally anticipated, but I think it'll come out pretty good regardless. There we go. Right across there like that. And this isn't gonna be like, a jackass, all screwed up job. I'm gonna try to make it as nice as I can. Make sure that it's done right. Well, this isn't actually right. Right would be cutting this out and just putting in a new piece, but I can't afford that, so we're gonna do it this way. Alright, so we're gonna sit there and let that dry now, and then when that dries, we'll get out some sand, paper, and let me see that camera real quick. So that's what it looks like now. Now we're just gonna let it harden, and then we can sand it down and go back over it one more coat at least. And then from there, we should be good to go. And then for the four-wheeler, you guys didn't see much of it lately, but it's having a problem with fuel, and it's not getting the right amount of fuel. As you can see, it's leaking all over the place right there. So I gotta tear the carb apart and go over it. So let me shut the fuel off because I forgot to do that earlier. I went through and greased all the bushings and everything in the front end of the truck, which made it a lot better. I found out what's going on in the front of it. A couple of the things are bad. Oh, Scott, did I tell you? Duramax motor and Allison transmission, $2,500 out of a wrecked truck. Wire and harness and all complete.
Is he getting it for you?
I don't know yet.
What year? 03 or 04?
LBZ.
It's a shit newer one.
A little bit newer. It's not like an LP5 or nothing, but it's...
Oh, like 010Y.
It's like 06, 07. But yeah, if you guys want to see that kind of thing, just let me know. Say hi, Amy. That's my girlfriend. Set you guys down for a second because I gotta take a drink of some tea. I hope my buddy Wyatt would end up showing up, but he hasn't. He was supposed to because we were supposed to vacuum the glass out of his car, but I think he got caught up with weed eating and whatnot. Even though it's dark outside, he probably finished up and didn't feel like coming over, so... Now we're all just kind of hanging out, doing our own thing. It'll be a little bit of time, and then this will be ready to go. Which, it'll look fairly good when I'm done. I'm pretty good at doing this. I want to start a business doing this, and actually, I think I might have a job lined up. Not quite for doing that, but a little bit of detail, some tent work, radio upgrade. I might have one of those lined up. I just got to talk to my buddy a little bit more and see if he's willing to do it, and if so, then I'm going to be putting a stereo system in my buddy's. It's a 2010 Pontiac G6, and he wants a stereo put in it, his windows tinted, and what else? He wanted the windows tinted, the stereo put in it, and it to be detailed. So if he's up for it and stuff, I told him that I could do the work, and I'll be cheaper. I'm not gonna charge him as much. Obviously, it'll still be like maybe $100. But I mean, for all that, I mean that's pretty fair. Honestly, that's probably a steal of a deal for that. Because honestly, anybody else for just detailing could be like $75. So it just depends on how bad the car is. But I'm gonna start making up a list of things that I'm gonna do and whatnot. So.
You shut that gate down there?
The gate.
After I shut that gate. Did
Yeah.
you shut it?
Yeah, he said he did.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep.
Feel it.
But yeah, so I gotta wait for that to dry, and then as soon as that dries, I'm gonna apply a second layer, and then we'll be able to sand that down. Then I'll show you how it looks, and then after I show you how it looks, we'll go and we'll paint over it or something, and then we'll show you how it looks then, and then you guys can take it from what it's at now, what it's at now to what it was before to what it's gonna be, and then you guys will be able to tell how it looks. I'm really interested to grow with this channel, so let's get some likes on it and some views. Share it with other people. But I'm gonna get off here for a second, and I'll bring you guys back when it's about ready to be sanded. Alright guys, so I'm starting to sand it just a little bit. As you can tell how it's coming out, it looks pretty good so far if the phone will focus. You can't really tell, but this is just one coat, so I mean it's a little pitted here and there, but it's not going to be like that forever. But I'm going to sand this a little bit. Oh boy. That'll be fine. And that came off. As you guys can see how it's coming out, it's looking pretty good. Oops. This is gonna give you a little bit of a hint what DK Customs can do. And I'm honestly gonna say that I'm gonna put some of my best work into this. That way I can make sure that I don't like make myself look like a fool. Whenever I tell you guys that we can really do work. Alright, I'm gonna set up those so that way I'm not straining my neck. Ooh. Gotta get this light out from underneath this. That's looking pretty good. Honey, go ahead and feel that. Do you feel really very many ridges? I mean, obviously it's still pitted, but that feels pretty good to the body line, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, so after we do that, then you want to take some fine sandpaper, kind of like this, and then you want to go over that little bit that's sticking left to the body that's not really doing much for it. You want to sand that. It's so much easier to have something sitting on like a sawhorse or something like you've seen before and it be working. And you'd be able to work it that way. But like this, it's actually really hard. It's starting to get a little uncomfortable. Yeah, so I gotta kind of go on my knee a little bit. Alright, but I'm going to put you guys away now, and then I'll let you guys see almost the finished product just before we go to paint. So, stay tuned. Well, hey guys, I got the thing finished up. What was I working on? Anybody? What was I working on? Oh, I had to rot it out part of the bed. Alright, so if you look, you guys tell me where I did the work. Holy crap, that look at that. Alright. You got, oh, come on, focus. You guys tell me where I did the work. This is the same spot. I'll show you guys just to let you guys know. This is the same spot. You can see the rivets and everything. But where is it? You guys tell me where it's at. And we got something pretty cool here. Wyatt, what the fuck did you pick up? Look at this sumbitch.
It's fucking automatic. You don't pick on her, but...
Oh, freaking automatic. Here we go.
Listen. It's still stupid fucking fast.
It's still stupid fucking fast, as you heard him. Did your antenna work? This little antenna thing, does that work? Does that come out?
No, I think...
What are you talking about? Probably making the... Whoever watches that probably making sick. They're probably like, yeah, he's on drugs. But look at this thing. This thing's just a peach.
Yeah.
Just a peach. Some guy that we don't know cracked the window and he got a new one.
Blew my whole fucking first paycheck.
Gotta clean that though. There we go. She's just a peach. There's glass all over and everything. There's some things we gotta switch in here because it's all purple and gay-like. Sorry, not gay-like. It's Scott-like. But I took care of that, and then I had a spot over here on my truck that was falling down, as you can see. I might do the same thing with this, is Bondo it and everything, like I did with the other one, since you guys see how it came out.
What was that?
outside?
Dude, it's that awesome part of the release as the air hits your hole.
Oh, that's what he wants.
I don't know what I'm saying. Guys, I am not on drugs. I just want to make this clear. I am not on drugs. That water, whatever the fuck Amy has in that drink, is making me like fly off the handle, and I do not know why. What's the word for it, Wyatt? What?
Methed up.
Methed up.
Methed up.
I am methed up, guys. So I guess that's. You see this hole here? Scott's dad backed into a trailer, or the trailer backed into him. All right. So here, let me take a minute of closure. I think closure is something different, but let me take a minute. Okay. So I got all this done here, and you guys can see it's really nice. I have no idea what that whole spaz attack was that I just had. But yeah, I mean, and this thing's just dusty as dusty can be. Like, I just sanded away like half my fucking truck. I'm not even kidding you. I gotta stop cursing so much in my videos. It ain't gonna get no views. Ain't gonna get nothing. All right, Ralph.
My God, pressing that Randy.
Do you remember that thing last night that I said where there's that video of the Mexicans getting rolling that Jeep? Randy got ran over by a Wrangler. Oh shit! I got a whole bunch of trash in the bed of my truck. Why? Is there anything you want to say about the WRX? What you like about it? What you don't like about it so far?
Even though it's automatic, I still fucking love it, dude.
It is automatic, and he wanted a standard, but this thing is pretty freaking sweet.
I got a hell of a deal on it.
Yeah, he did. He did get a good deal on it. But okay, if you guys did like this video, please comment, like, subscribe. Tell me what you liked about the video. Obviously, you're
commenting. Dakota should do more drugs before he does a video.
Yeah, he wants me to snort more crack, even though I don't snort crack in anyways. That's probably gonna get demonetized. Never mind. Scratch that. But so there's probably gonna be a lot of jumping here, there. I've tried not to jump as much as possible. Hi, Tori.
No, you're a white man. You can't jump anyways.
Yeah, as you can see, never mind. We're gonna take and not say that either. Demonetization.
Just saying your ethnicity. Saying common, you can't come.
I am an attack helicopter. Okay.
I didn't say gender.
You know what? I don't care.
Hey,
My race is an attack helicopter.
your body center or something?
I don't know why.
If Dakota's talking about attacking the fucking helicopter, we well all know there's something that's fucking like this not right.
At this moment, we knew that Scott was Bubbles off of Trailer Park Boys. But if you guys did like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Drugs.